Schluter Systems is a leading innovator in tile installation solutions, known for its commitment to high-performance waterproofing, durability, and simplicity. With decades of industry expertise, Schluter has built a reputation for engineering products that streamline installation and enhance the longevity of tiled assemblies. From uncoupling membranes to integrated drain systems, Schluter is the go-to brand for contractors and professionals seeking reliable, code-compliant solutions that meet modern building standards. Modernizing a shower drain often means dealing with messy, costly demolition, especially when working with existing two-stage clamping ring drains embedded in concrete. But with Schluter's KERDI-DRAIN-A and KERDI-LINE-A adapter kits, professionals can retrofit old drains into modern bonding flange systems without the need for removal or structural disruption. These adapter kits are designed to work seamlessly with Schluter's waterproofing membranes and prefabricated shower trays, offering a time-saving, cost-effective upgrade path. Both adapter kits are designed for seamless integration with existing two-stage clamping ring drains, eliminating the need for demolition and preserving structural integrity. Whether you're working on new construction or a renovation, these kits make it easy to upgrade to modern bonded waterproofing systems using either traditional mortar beds or Schluter's prefabricated shower trays. The KERDI-DRAIN-A is tailored for point drains, while the KERDI-LINE-A supports linear configurations. Each kit includes a precision-engineered steel adapter ring with an over-molded rubber gasket, secured using KERDI Fix adhesive to create a watertight connection. Adjustable bolt patterns accommodate a wide range of existing drain setups, ensuring a secure and efficient installation. Certified to meet ASME A112 18.2 and CSA B125.2 2020 standards, Schluter adapter kits combine reliability with ease of use. Optional compensation boards allow for perfect height alignment with shower trays, delivering a clean, flush finish that meets professional expectations. Especially in commercial applications, such as renovations in post-tension concrete slabs, the ability to retrofit existing drains without demolition helps preserve fire ratings and structural integrity. Installers save time and reduce project costs while achieving high-performance waterproofing results. To suit a wide range of aesthetics, Schluter offers an extensive array of designer grate options, from classic stainless steel to bold modern finishes like matte black and brushed brass. Whether it's a high-end hotel bathroom or a residential remodel, Schluter's adapter kits deliver both functionality and design flexibility. In short, Schluter's drain adapter kits are a smart, streamlined solution for modernizing outdated drains without the mess, preserving both time and quality. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to reach out to Golden Tripod and contact us if you have any questions or concerns. And be sure to follow us on social media for more updates and inspirations for your next renovation project.